Hi and welcome. Today's video is part 4 of my new series entitled Just One Thing. If you are new to this series, I designed it to be the antithesis to my typical speed cleaning videos. The goal of this Just One Thing series is to provide encouragement to someone who is dealing with anxiety, depression, or some other mental health concern. I know firsthand what it feels like to try to juggle life's responsibilities at the same time that you are enduring some kind of mental health crisis. While I am on the other side of those crises, I would like to demonstrate for you something that helped me when I was trying to maintain some semblance of productivity in the midst of chaos. I figured out that if I could focus on getting just one thing done, I would feel less overwhelmed. Today's just one thing task is to fold this load of laundry and put it away. If you have a load of laundry that is sitting in a basket and you need to put it away, go ahead and grab that and let's do laundry together. Let's talk a little bit about how and why I chose the chores in this series. In deciding what I should record myself doing for this Just One Thing series, there were 3 factors that had to be considered. Each chore had to be 15 minutes or less in duration. It had to be something reasonable, and it also had to be a level 1 chore. And what I mean by that is that it had to be something that was absolutely necessary for me to complete in order to survive. So that is making sure that I have a clean bed, it's making sure that I have clean clothes, it's making sure that I have a clean bathroom. There are other types of level 1 chores, such as taking out the trash and cleaning the kitchen. I'm going to stop talking for the rest of the video and just let the music play. However, keep watching because I'll be sharing some on-screen tips for creating housekeeping goals in the midst of chaos.